Clutter doesn't always look obvious at first glance, but it can slowly build up inside a home without people really noticing it day by day. Psychology suggests that when a space has too many visible objects, the brain has to work harder to process everything at once. This is why clutter doesn't just affect how a home looks, but also how mentally heavy or light the space feels. Sometimes, clutter isn't about mess, it's about having too many things competing for attention in the same space. When this happens, even a normal room can start to feel visually overwhelming or harder to relax in. The key issue is not the items themselves, but how much visual space they take up in the environment. Over time, this can make a home feel less organized and harder to mentally reset after a long day. This is why recognizing early signs of clutter is important before it starts affecting your comfort. In this video, we'll go through the 9 clear signs that your home may already have too much clutter. One of the earliest signs of too much clutter is when you feel mentally overwhelmed the moment you step into a room, even if the space is not actually dirty. This happens because the brain immediately starts scanning every visible object in the environment all at once. When too many objects appear in one visual field, the brain struggles to organize them, creating visual overload. This doesn't always mean the room is dirty, but that too many things are competing for attention at the same time. Even organized items can still feel overwhelming if there are too many in one space. This is because clutter is often defined more by how many objects are visible at once than by actual mess or dirt. So when a room feels overwhelming right away, it's often the first psychological signal that clutter is building up at home. One of the clearest signs of clutter is when flat surfaces like tables, counters, and shelves are constantly filled with items, leaving almost no empty space. These flat surfaces often become natural drop zones for things we use every day, like keys, phones, mugs, and other small items. When this habit repeats daily, these surfaces slowly become permanently occupied without you noticing it. Even small objects left behind can accumulate over time and turn a clean surface into a cluttered one. Eventually, the surface stops feeling usable because there is no clear empty space left for anything new. When multiple flat surfaces in one room are always full, the entire space starts to feel visually crowded. This creates the impression that everything is out of place, even if the items themselves are useful. Another clear sign of clutter is when you start struggling to find things quickly, even when you know the items are somewhere inside your home. This usually happens because items are not placed in consistent or fixed locations. When things are frequently left in different places, your brain has a harder time remembering where each item is. As a result, even simple objects like keys, remote controls, or chargers can take a long time to find. This creates small moments of stress throughout the day because simple tasks take longer than expected. Over time, this repeated difficulty becomes a normal part of your daily routine at home. This is often a sign that your home organization system is no longer working efficiently. Another strong sign of clutter is when your entryway or doorway area feels crowded, making the first step into your home feel slightly uncomfortable or restricted. The entryway is supposed to be a transition space, but when it is filled with shoes, bags, or random items, it starts to lose its clear walking path. When this space becomes cluttered, even entering or exiting the house can feel less smooth and more distracting than it should be. Small items placed near the entrance tend to accumulate over time because they are often used daily and left without a fixed storage spot. Over time, this builds up and reduces the feeling of openness that an entryway should normally have. When the first area you see when entering home feels crowded, it immediately affects how organized the entire home feels. This is why the entryway is often considered one of the most important spaces in maintaining a sense of order at home. A common sign of excessive clutter is when simple cleaning tasks start taking much longer than expected. Even in rooms that are not particularly large, when there are too many objects on surfaces, cleaning often becomes a process of moving things rather than actually cleaning. Instead of quickly wiping a surface or vacuuming a floor, extra time is spent working around the items that have accumulated. The more objects a room contains, the more effort is required to access the areas that actually need cleaning. Over time, this can make routine cleaning feel more tiring and frustrating than it needs to be. In some cases, people may even postpone cleaning because the task feels larger and more complicated than it actually is. If cleaning seems to take longer and longer, despite having the same amount of space, clutter may be one of the main reasons why it takes longer. Another common sign of clutter is when your eyes constantly jump from one object to another, making it difficult to focus on any single area of the room. This happens because every visible object competes for attention, creating what designers and psychologists often refer to as visual noise. Visual noise doesn't necessarily come from dirt or mess, but from having too many unrelated items visible at the same time. The brain naturally tries to process everything it sees, which can make a space feel busier than it actually is. As visual noise increases, many people find it harder to relax, concentrate, or fully enjoy the space. This is one reason why rooms with fewer visible items often feel calmer, even when they contain the same essential furniture. If every corner of a room seems to demand attention, it may be a sign that visual clutter has started to take over the space. One overlooked sign of clutter is when certain areas of your home gradually stop being used simply because they have become too crowded or inconvenient to access. At first, a chair, table, or corner may hold only a few extra items, but over time it can slowly turn into a storage area. When this happens, the space no longer serves its original purpose and becomes difficult to use in everyday life. Many people adapt to this change so gradually that they stop noticing how much usable space has been lost. In some homes, entire chairs, tables, or sections of rooms become permanent holding places for unused items. The result is that the home may feel smaller, even though the actual size of the room has not changed. If there are areas of your home that you rarely use because they feel crowded, blocked, or inconvenient, clutter may be the reason. A clear sign of clutter is when items no longer have a specific place, so instead of being stored properly, they get left wherever there is available space in the home. Instead of returning objects to a fixed storage location, they slowly start getting placed on random surfaces like tables, chairs, counters, and even sofa edges. This usually happens when storage areas are already full, poorly organized, or no longer easy to use consistently. As this continues, it becomes harder to remember where items were originally placed because there is no longer a consistent system. Over time, this creates a home environment where everything feels temporary, and nothing seems to have a clear or permanent place anymore. One of the strongest final signs of clutter is when you start feeling mentally tired or drained even while simply staying at home. The environment feels constantly stimulating, as your eyes keep noticing different objects without giving your mind a chance to fully relax. Even when you are not doing anything physically demanding, the brain still feels active because it keeps processing visual information. This can make relaxing at home feel more difficult, especially in spaces that are supposed to help you rest and recharge. Over time, this constant mental load can make your own home feel less like a place of rest and more like a source of fatigue. Clutter doesn't always look like a messy or dirty home, but it often builds up quietly through small daily habits that go unnoticed. When these small signs combine over time, they can change how your home feels, making it harder to relax, focus, or fully enjoy your space. Understanding these signs is the first step toward creating a home that feels lighter, more organized, and more comfortable to live in.